Hey beautiful people, welcome to Sholz TV. We're going to be making a mango stir fry sauce and a mango shrimp stir fry. Absolutely delicious. So let's go over our ingredients. Of course, we have some mango. I've gone ahead to slice the whole mango and chopped up half of a large mango for our sauce today. I also have here some yellow onions sliced up, some snow peas, some raw shrimp, and I'm also using the super blend that I got from the grocery store. It has carrots, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage already shredded. Then for our sauce, I also have here some diced onions, some garlic, and some chopped up Thai chili pepper because I like it spicy. And for our sauce, of course, we need some liquid. I'm using liquid Aminos instead of soy sauce, some honey, and some grapeseed oil. Now let's get cooking. We're gonna make our stir fry sauce first. Get a wok, put some grapeseed oil in there, add all your goodies, your onions, your garlic, your Thai chili pepper. It's gonna be spicy, guys. If you don't like it so spicy, tone it down. Add your chopped mango and just let that stir fry for a little bit. Once your mango starts to get soft and mushy, go ahead and get a masher and mash it all together. And then we're going to add our liquids. Liquid Aminos, some honey, and some lime. Combine all of that together and it's going to reduce into a thick, beautiful sauce that looks just like this, guys. Yummy and ready for your stir fry. Look at that. Now step 2, let's do our stir fry. So get your wok, add some grapeseed oil again, add your shrimps. And then we're going to season with Mrs. Dash just to cut down on the sodium since we have liquid aminos already. I'm adding some onions. Just let all of that cook until your onions begins to be translucent, and go ahead and add your snow peas. You can use whatever vegetables you like, guys. But if you want to follow this is really delicious. Then add your super blend. Remember, our super blend contains some kale, some Brussels sprouts, some carrots, and some cabbage. So stir fry all of that until it's cooked to your desire. I like mine a little bit crunchy. Then add your mango stir fry sauce. I added 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then also your fresh mangoes. Guys, mango gets soggy when cooked, so make sure you add this at the end. Make sure you add your mangoes when your vegetables are cooked to your desire. We don't want it to get mushy. Well, I don't want it to get mushy, and I feel like you're the same way. So make sure it's at the end. Now we're gonna add just a little bit more seasoning, some ginger and some black pepper. Just to finish up, some dry parsley. You can use some fresh parsley as well. And that is it. Your yummy mango stir fry is ready. Enjoy this just as it is for a low carb diet, a delicious, healthy low carb diet. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. Quick, easy, and nutritious recipes here on Sholz TV. And until next time, guys, it's your girl Sholz sending you lots of love and light. Bye.